Elevate your desktop aesthetics. Discover how to customize your Windows 11 desktop with Rainmeter in the next few seconds. Stay tuned for a quick guide to personalize your digital workspace. Use a Rainmeter to personalize your Windows 11 desktop. This is a simple process that will greatly improve the style of your desktop. As a comparison, this looks pretty cool, right? To get this nice look, you'll need to download two things. Open your browser and make sure to read our description below, which includes links to download the Omnimo skin and the Rainmeter tool. Download both, but make sure to download the beta version of the Rainmeter tool that is compatible with Windows 11. And the Omnimo skin as well, all of which are available for free. Install Drain after downloading Meter first. To make the installation procedure simple, I'll just go with the basic setup, but you're welcome to customize it and choose the location. To use Rainmeter, just open the Omnimo zip file that contains the skin and double-click omnimode.arm skin. This will launch a new window asking you to install the skin. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. You will then be taken to the skin menu, where you can choose your preferred language and other options, like the metric system if you want to apply a new wallpaper, or use the dark mode on your PC. Once you've made your choice, just click the next arrow to see your sleek new desktop. Is active, offering a plethora of options. For instance, you can easily minimize the entire thing by clicking the desktop thumbnail. You can also move all of these elements and right-click them if you would like to further customize them. For me, that meant changing the element size for the time, or choosing a different style, or even altering the color's opacity and the element's dark or light mode. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.